Hello everyone, my name is Patrick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert page numbers starting any page that you wish in your Word document. For this particular example, I've just got a mock-up kind of essay, thesis, dissertation file, which includes a cover page and a table of contents, along with just various headers. For many of you, you probably need to start your page numbering on the table of contents. So to get us started, I'm simply first just going to introduce some basic page numbers. Click Insert, click Page Number, bottom of the page, and then plain number 2. Now you've got page numbers going from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With our page numbers now in our document, we now need to remove the page number on the cover page and start the page numbering on table of contents. First, I'm going to double select the footer. It's really important we don't click the header in this tutorial or when you're doing it. It's just the footer. I'm first going to select different first page. You automatically will see that the first page footer has appeared and the number has disappeared, but here it still says 2. So I'm going to select page number, format page number, and instead of saying start at 1, most of you will say continue from previous section. So we're just going to select this. We're going to actually change it to 0 because then it will believe this is page 0, which won't show, and this is page 1. Click OK. And now this says page 1. Click close header and footer. I'm sure many of you have been instructed that when you're writing your thesis, essay, or dissertation, that your page numbers must start after your table of contents. To do this, we've got to introduce something called a page break, which essentially creates 2 sections in your Word document. For this example, we're going to have this is section 1 and this is section 2. To do this, select where you want the next section to begin. Mine's going to be here. Click Layout, click Breaks, and then Next Page. Our next step is to check if this has actually worked. You would have noticed straight away that this now says no number, and then number 1, no number 1 and 2. So something's definitely happened. We can first double click the footer, and you will notice here it says first page footer section 1, and then the rest says section 2. So 2 sections have clearly been made. We can also check by clicking view, navigation pane, and we notice here we've got 0, 1, 0, 1, and 2. So now we clearly have 2 sections in our Word document. Our next job is to introduce page numbers starting at 1 here, 2 and 3, and then remove page numbers from section 1. Double select the footer, and we're going to use untick different first page and unselect link to previous, page number, format page numbers, and instead of start at 0, start at 1 and click OK. And now we've got 1, 2, and 3. I'm now going to go back over here, unselect first page number, and then remove page numbers. And now we've got no page numbers on the cover page and this contents page, but we do have 1, 2, and 3. So now in this tutorial, I've shown you how to introduce a number at your table of contents page, using page breaks to introduce numbers after the fact. And now we've got a document that has a cover page, a table of contents, and page 1, 2, and 3. If your content page has not updated, click Update Table, and then just update page numbers only. Mine already knows it's this page 1, so that won't change. But for you, this is really important. So when you hyperlink it, it takes you to the correct page. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Drop me a like, write a comment, and make sure to subscribe for more Word fixes.